Hi, I'm Tam. I'm a mechanic at Go Outdoors. I'm going to show you the essential equipment you should take with you on a ride. You don't need all the gear to enjoy the trails, but I'm going to walk you through a few essential items you should take with you to get yourself out of small troubles and to keep you well fueled on your ride. The first item on our list is a multi-tool. A multi-tool will pretty much have everything on there to fix your bike, and this one even comes with a chain tool. Second on our list is everything you need to fix a puncture. So first up, we got a puncture repair kit. If that fails, take an inner tube with you, and don't forget your pump so you can pump it all up. Next up is a phone, so you can phone someone in an emergency or use the map to get yourself home if you get lost. Next up is some money, just in case you need to make some emergency purchases. Another essential item is the bag. The bag allows you to hold all your other essential items. Next up on the list are cable ties. They are so useful for so many things. For example, tying up a road cable on your bike. The most important essential item is your helmet, because it will keep you safe in the event of a crash. The final items are your lights, just in case you get caught short and you have to ride home in the dark. And there you go, these are the essential items I take with me on my ride, but if your list is different, let us know in the comments below.